In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize checkout page on Wix. If you are selling products or services through your Wix site, the checkout page is one of the most important screens. It is where customers confirm details, review their order, and complete payment. By customizing it, you can make the experience feel more consistent with your brand and reduce friction during purchase. To get started, open your Wix dashboard. This is the control center for your site, where you can manage settings, sales, and publishing. Take a moment to make sure you are signed into the correct Wix account, especially if you manage more than one site. Once you are in the dashboard, look for the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar contains most of the tools you need to configure your site. Now scroll to the absolute bottom of the left sidebar and click Settings. This is an important step because checkout customization is handled inside the Site Settings area. When you click Settings, you should see a list of different categories. Each category controls a different part of your website experience. Spend a moment scanning the options so you know you are in the right area before making changes. Next, inside Settings, find the section for Business Solutions. On Wix, Business Solutions is where commerce-related settings are grouped, including options that affect checkout and how customers interact with payments. Click Business Solutions to open those options. After you open it, you should be able to see other subcategories. Within Business Solutions, look for AI Marketing, and then look for Setting. The exact menu labels can be slightly different depending on your Wix version, but the goal is to reach the settings area related to business features. When you find the correct setting area, open it so that you can access the controls that relate to checkout page customization. Now you are in the area where you can begin adjusting the checkout experience. At this point, the screen should show options that relate to checkout, payment flow, or purchase settings. Take a careful look at the available controls and understand what each one affects. If you see toggles, drop-downs, or configuration fields, those are the elements you will use to shape how the checkout page appears and behaves. From here, you are ready to customize. Feel free to customize. Choose the options that match your goals, such as how checkout information is displayed, what messages appear, and what branding or layout options are available. As you make changes, it is a good idea to go slowly and verify that the adjustments look correct within the preview or preview-like view, if one is available on screen. It can also help to think about what customers need most at checkout: clear pricing, clear product details, and a smooth path to completion. When you customize, focus on clarity first. If the settings let you adjust text, labels, or ordering of information, keep the wording simple and aligned with your business. If there are styling options, choose ones that match the rest of your site so the purchase page does not feel disconnected from your storefront. After you finish customizing, review what you have changed. Even a small modification can affect the checkout experience, so it is best to check that everything is accurate. Make sure there are no unintended changes, and confirm that the checkout page still supports completing an order as expected. Once you are satisfied, you can finalize and continue with your store operations. If Wix provides a way to view how the checkout looks from a customer perspective, use it. That quick check helps ensure your customers will see the updated checkout page correctly when they place an order. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.